The problem is my man cook over there. What are you doing?
He's precious. He's such a big. He's so big. Muy grande. You big boy. Yeah. Wow. Okay. I'm working. So for this part of the repair, guys, you will have to remove those wire clips, the holder, the zip ties, and you will have more freedom to be able to move the wires to reattach them onto the new thermostat. Otherwise, you will not be able to do it. So it gives you more freedom to be able to actually move them out the way while you're working and then to reposition it. Just make sure that once everything is plugged in, nothing is touching metal. So pretty straightforward, other than you have to drill the hole. And the best way to drill those holes, guys, my drill bit was actually kind of dull, is a self-tapping screw. Get a 1/4-inch self-tap and you can just drill 2 holes. You will need that tool like I mentioned, or like you see me using, and you're good to go. You can also use a Sharpie just to mark your holes so that you get a perfect drill point, and then you continue with your self-tap just so you get all the holes lined up properly. All right, turn power on for me. breaker?
Sorry?
The breaker?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Or if you want, I could do it. It's up to you. All right, you can see she's working. Element looks good. All is well. So the thermal cutoff, the replacement will look very different. So don't be alarmed. Just use the part that came in the package and just double check your work. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.